We always strive to make it as easy and intuitive to use the OnTime group calendar as possible, and that includes creating group calendar integrations within the platforms where you actually work. One of these integrations are 3 calendar views and connections. Let me show you how they work. Firstly, we have the profile calendar, which I can see on the right side when I go to someone's profile. Here I can see all the person's calendar entries with the event title if I have the rights and OnTime to see that. This makes it easy for me to get an overview of what she's doing, where she is, and when she might have time to help me with something. When I click on a specific day, I get the different events that day, making it easier to see details. And if I need more details, I can just click on the event down here. Then I get a detailed view of the event, and if I've been given the rights to see details in the person's calendar, I can see the meeting description, who else might be attending, and things like that. I can scroll through the calendar to move back and forth in time, and I can always easily return to today by using the button up here. Another thing I can do is switch between looking at the days and looking at a whole month at a time. In the month view, I get a small bar on each day that shows me when during the day there are availabilities, if there are any, making it easy to get a fast overview, and if I click on a date, I see it in the day view. The next kind of calendar is the community calendar. A lot of the time, communities are being used for projects where coordination is a key element of the work. What we've done is that when you go to a community here, we have built a group calendar functionality inside your community with the members that are in the community automatically in the calendar. You have some filters in the top of the calendar where you can choose to only focus on the people that are in your network and this community, or the ones that you follow that are in this community as well. This way you can locate people who you actually know if you have a question or need help, instead of having to go to new people all the time. Just like with the profile calendar, I can move around in time, but here instead of scrolling, I do it by using the arrows up here or by going into the month view and finding a specific date from here. And like with the profile calendar, I can click on different events to see the details of them if I've been given the rights and OnTime to do so. If I need to do more advanced planning, I also have the option to open the full group calendar right here in Connections, just by using the maximizing button up here. This way I can get a better overview of the calendar and do scheduling with people in my community, since they are going to be the people in my view when I open the calendar. From this calendar, I can do all the things that I usually can't in the OnTime desktop. I can switch between seeing a day, 5 days, a week, 2 weeks, and time off up here. On the left side, I have groups, notices, meeting polls, my orders, and legends, which are all accessible. The special thing about opening the calendar in Connections, however, is that I have my community over here. Here I can choose between seeing the whole community, my network, and the people I'm following. This allows me to move around between all my groups and always be able to return to my community without any difficulties. Having the full group calendar in here makes it very easy for me to arrange meetings and events with a couple of people or the whole community, just by selecting them, getting a visualization of when there are availabilities in the calendar, and then dragging and dropping in the calendar. Fill out all the meeting information here like I normally would with things like writing a meeting subject. I could add a room and choosing a category, in this case projects. For now, I'm just going to skip on filling out the rest of the details and send out the meeting invites. Now the meeting will appear in the calendar. If you want to see more about all the functions of the full group calendar, make sure to check out our other tutorial videos for a lot of tips and tricks. With these integrations of the OnTime group calendar, it becomes so much easier to locate and schedule with people in a time-saving way without having to leave Connections. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and visit our YouTube channel for more videos like it. You can also visit our website for more information and to try it out yourself.